Hello all. This is part of GGK's Geek Report Hackathon. Uh, our problem statement is: in general, we all hate to waiting for services like restaurant bookings and all. This waiting is just limited for only few services before the COVID-19. But now, with the intro of COVID-19 and the government efforts to tackle it, drastically change everything. And this waiting extended to all the services. After the series of lockdown, the government provided relaxations for business operators to restart their services with strict social distancing guidelines. To cope up with this, the operators are increasing their staff and in many cases they are forced to allow only limited number of customers and keeping others as waitlisted. The thing is at peak times customers have to wait for a long time to get their turn, which increases the risk of COVID-19 contact. In general, the customer prefers to plan their visit when people are less and to minimize the risk of COVID-19 contact. And to maintain the customer relationship and trust, is the top priority for the business operator in this COVID-19 crisis. To help them out, is there any medium? Yes, there it is. Here comes our application to help them out.
Here is a simple web application which we built to show the customers what is the traffic present at the malls and grocery shops. We have used Angular and Spring Boot and some sensors to build this application. So at each shopping malls which are registered with us, we'll keep sensors at entries and exits. Those sensors, those thermal sensors will send us the data like number of people entering into the mall and number of people exiting the mall. So from those sensors, we'll get the data like how much strength present in the mall. So with the how much strength present in the mall, we can know how much time it is taking. All those calculations we can do. So whenever a end user opens our website, we'll show him the nearby our registered malls and grocery shops. So he can see. Suppose you want to visit Central, he can click on that one and he can openly see what is the crowd present at the mall, how much it can handle. Suppose the capacity of the mall is for 10K and how much crowd is 50% crowd is occupied. We'll show all these details and how many people are entering into the mall per hour, how many people are exiting per hour, and we'll show this average time taken for each person and day-wise traffic like from past day, some days how is the traffic is there, and all those widgets will show which helps the user to plan is when he's visit to shopping malls and all shops. It saves his time, and with respect to he can avoid the crowd so that he can avoid the COVID-19 kind of viruses infections.
Yeah, we have added a few features as functionality in the web applications. We will discuss what are the benefits for the application for customers as well as business owners point perspective. So yeah, first we will discuss as a customer perspective. We added features like if you see in the screen, we provided a reminder, number of stores, so device traffic, like we have provided many features. And these features will tell the users about the capacity of the store, what is the inflow and outflow rate, and how much time it will take. The day-wise graph will show how the traffic was and what are the peak and non-peak hours of the store. So everything like the store information will be exposed to the user. So based on that, the user or customer will plan to visit the nearest mall or store. And business perspective, how does this application will benefit for business? So based on the application, store owner will know what are the peak and non-peak hours of the business, so that they will plan accordingly their resources, allocations, everything. So it will reduce the business owners won't lose their business, as well as they will efficiently manage their business resources. And if you take example like stores, by having more staff, increase the labor cost, and understaff will lead to lose customers. This application will provide details to the store owners. What are the peak and non-peak hours, and this analysis, based on this analysis, the owners will plan accordingly. Food courts. By using this app, restaurant management knows what are the peak hours so that they can concentrate and improve their resources. In the same way, the customer will check and about the traffic at earlier stage and will start at home based on the traffic updates. Based on this, customer won't lose his patience, and the restaurants also won't lose their business.
Yes, even our application will benefits for malls owner as well. Like mall owners can know about individual shop traffic metrics by using this application. Shop traffic data can be employed to recalculate the rent prices for different regions, and it also helps to the different malls to manage their crowd. And also they can showcase their ads and offers to the application. So offers and ads directly reaches to the customer. It improves the business of the stores as well. Like this, we have multiple benefits for this application. Thank you, guys.